12.5 inches. 13.25. How long is this? Almost 10 feet. 9 feet, 10 inches. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I'm Jerry. And I got something a little different today going on here. In fact, this log looks small compared to what I've had on here the last few days. If you watched my white pine videos. But this is a white oak. 13, 12, almost 10 foot long. And this looks small on the mill now. But I'm building, you saw that deer blind, my daughter, you may have seen it. My daughter's deer blind that I've been building her, and I'm making something rather slick for it. And I'm going to take you along with it. You're going to have to stick around on this video to see what's going on. This is going to be fun. I hope it works. I think it will. All right, I'm going to get this fired up. What I need out of this, guys, is I just need a cant, a square cant. Let me tell you how big I need it. Well, not how big I need it. Since it's 12 inches on the small end, a perfectly round square cant, 0.707, remember, or just 0.7, about 8 inches. I'm going to get a little bit better than that because I'll leave a little bit of waning on purpose on this one. I want to get this as big as possible. So let's get after it. Wish I had that pencil. I'll find one. I'll find one. All right, ear protection on. You know, one thing I wish I would have taken better care of. You know, I've always taken care of my body. Only thing I didn't do a good job with my ears when I was younger. And that's kind of disappointing. So I'm starting to notice it. Here we go. The log stops are set at 8, so we're not going to wreck another Jerry's Ripper 37. Oh, what a beautiful day, guys. 57 degrees. Found that pencil. Hopefully I have a good rhythm today. My rhythm yesterday was not good out here. Made a few mistakes. Hit a log stop. Only the second time I've done that. Caught it on video. Hopefully you saw that video. All right, this is heavy. I won't even bolt this one down. This is good. It's heavy enough. It won't go anywhere. I think my log stops are out of square. Maybe not. We'll find out. I think they are. This is the only method I rely on anyhow to keep it square. Oh, I do have to go back a little. So what I do is I just give it a little tweak here, guys. That's nice and square. You know, it's probably pretty close to being square. That looks good. Oh, I didn't have my radio on. Ran out of gas. All right, what am I doing? So what I built here is a shake shingle siding jig. Now, I've never used it, so you're here with me. The premise is to put those blocks on here, screw them in, and this will be my step. Lift up, drop this in there, cut, drop, pull it out. That's what these handles are for. Lift it up, pull it out, put it in. You'll see. I think we're gonna try it, guys. The reason I'm going this way with the hinge, I know I'm gonna have to walk around it each time to lift all this up probably, but the blade comes in this way and the teeth go that way, the pressure goes that way. If I turned it the other way, I'd be afraid it would snag it and lift it up. So I want it to be pushing down. That's my theory, guys. Don't laugh if I'm wrong. Gosh, this would be cool if it works. These cedar shake, these wood white oak shake shingles are gonna go on the side of my daughter's deer blind I'm building. Let's see how they sit on here. I'm using white oak because white oak is very good to use outside. Let's get some screws in there. I wouldn't even be surprised. Nah, you gotta screw it. So I don't have any hardware to hit, which is good. Because you know how, guys, I like to hit things. My plan is 1/8 of an inch to about 1/2 inch to 5/8. The thickness of this board is 3/8, so that lifts it up 1/8 or 3/8. I think I got it figured right. This is all in my head. We'll see what happens. Guys, the only thing I was thinking about, you know how blades cut in certain directions, ripping, cross-cut, ripping. How's this gonna do ripping this direction on a log and not down the grain? We'll see. You know, all the jigs I've seen on YouTube, the guys have these turned 90 degrees and they walk them down the bed. So I've got mine 90 degrees to what they're doing. I'm coming in, obviously, as you can see, but we'll give it a try. It does come off funny, guys, doesn't it? It's stringy stuff. Nothing's coming out. Wow, that's some weird stuff. So that's not coming out, so oh my. Oh. What causes that, guys? Is that the set? Do I need a different set? Different angle? We're ripping now. It's gonna be interesting. What happened, Jerry? What happened? Oh, I see what happened. Whew. Oh boy. Look at that, guys. This is why, hey, you learn from me. You learn from my mistakes. Well, guys, we're able to cut some oak shake shingles. Now, that wasn't what I was intending it to do. The shingles came out fine. You saw what happened. So I'm going to say this is a part success, part failure. Hey guys, let me know in the comments, is it the angle of the cutter? Is it the set that causes that? Or is it always going to happen no matter what? So I'm going to have to turn that 90 degrees. Simple as that. And I'm only going to be able to do 2 at a time. And so the OS27 go 22 inches. So I got to make sure my cants are right around 10 inches then. And I think that's what these are. So I'm going to cut that in half. So next time you see me use this thing, it will be turned the other way. I won't be doing 3 at a time. I'll only be doing 2 at a time. But you can make a couple of those jigs with no problem and stack them up. So, guys, that's going to do it. I hope this inspired you to create something, you know, a jig or something useful at your sawmill. You know, there's lots of ways to do these things. What's the saying? 100 ways to skin a cat. And when you have a sawmill, at least mine does, my imagination's always spinning. And that concept is going to work. Just turn it 90 degrees and run through them this way. But let me show you what they look like. That's a nice one. All right, yeah, it's pretty good. I'm going to say, I don't know how good you can see these, about 1/8 of an inch on this end, and a little, maybe 5/8 to a half inch to 5/8 on that end. They're quite a bit heavier than cedar, but they have the same kind of outdoor property, so that's going to do it, guys. I wonder how many we got. I don't think I have enough to do I might have enough. It's really only a little area. You know, I made these 17 inches long. 2 of them were 16 because, you know, you got your 4-inch cover, then the next shingle, then you need 4 inches at least up underneath it, or at least the nailing edge. So I might be able to get away with a 5-inch coverage. So thanks guys for coming along. Hey, some of you still haven't subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Make yourself a shake siding or shake shingle jig. A siding jig will be the next one, just a longer one. Or maybe you just use something like this and just slide. You know what? Overcomplicating it. If you take this, you put your cant on there, lift up, slide this under, lift up, pull it out, lift up, slide it. It'll always be the same. Siding jig. That's all it's going to take. Sometimes it's too simple. Guys, we'll see you at the mill next time. Take care. Have a great day. Damn, a lot of mattress stuffing down there. What am I going to do with all that shit? Burn it. That's a lot to compost. I don't have a problem with this today. Beautiful. Oh!